In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Charts are a fantastic way to visually communicate data, making your presentations more engaging and easier to understand. So let's dive right in and explore the process of creating charts in PowerPoint step by step. First, open PowerPoint and navigate to the slide where you want to insert your chart. If you're starting with a blank slide, that's perfectly fine too. Look up at the top of your screen for the menu bar and then click on the Insert tab. This tab displays a variety of options for adding content to your slide. Once you're in the Insert menu, you'll see an option labeled Chart. Go ahead and click on that. A dialog box will pop up showing you different types of charts you can create, like column charts, bar charts, line charts, and pie charts, among others. Think about the data you have and what type of chart will best represent that information. For example, if you're displaying parts of a whole, a pie chart might be the way to go. If you're comparing categories, a bar or column chart would be more fitting. Let's say you want to create a bar chart. Click on the bar chart option, and then select your preferred style from the variety it offers. Once you click OK, a chart will be inserted into your slide, and an Excel spreadsheet will open automatically. This spreadsheet is where you'll enter your data. You'll notice placeholder data already in the spreadsheet. Replace this with your own data. Simply click on the cells and type in your numbers and labels. As you make changes in the spreadsheet, you'll see your chart on the slide update in real time to reflect the data you've inputted. This is a great way to visualize how your information translates into the chart format you've selected. Once you've entered your data, you can adjust the design of your chart. Click on the chart, and you'll see options for Chart Design and Format appear in the menu. Under Chart Design, you can change the overall style and color of your chart. From here, options like changing the layout, switching the row and column data, or adding chart elements such as titles and labels become available. Let's discuss titles and labels. Having clear titles and labels on your chart is crucial for your audience to understand what they're looking at. Click on the Chart Elements button, usually represented by a plus sign next to your chart. This will let you add or remove elements such as the chart title, axis titles, and data labels. Make sure to check the boxes for these elements to display them on your chart. If you want to customize each element further, you can simply click on them and format them as needed. For instance, you can change the font size, color, and style to match your presentation's theme. Once you are satisfied with your chart, don't forget to save your PowerPoint presentation. Click File in the top left and choose Save As to ensure all your hard work is not lost. And there you have it. Creating charts in PowerPoint is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your presentations. Experiment with different types and designs to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.